Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope you will be fine and safe at your home. I am your science teacher Miss Tanveer Fatma, and today I will teach you unit number 1, the human body, and our topic is nervous system. Here are the contents: the nervous system, how the nervous system is made up of, parts of nervous system, the brain, spinal cord, nerves, how the nervous system works. So first of all, I would like to tell you about the nervous system. Do you know how we understand when something is hot or cold or when something is sweet or bitter? It is our nervous system which controls all our senses like touch, smell, taste, hearing and sight. How the nervous system is made up of? The nervous system is made up of brain, spinal cord and nerves. It controls all the actions of our body. In this diagram, you can see brain, spinal cord and nerves. Here are the diagrams which show brain, spinal cord and nerves. The brain. Our brain is the control center of the body. It receives messages from all parts of our body and issues necessary commands to control the body's action. The spinal cord. It is shaped like a tube. It is protected by a spine. Messages travel from brain through spinal cord to all parts of our body. Nerves. Nerves are bundles of fibers forming part of a system that conveys impulses of sensation, motion, etc. between the brain or spinal cord and other parts of the body. Now the parts of nervous system. The nervous system has two main parts: the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system consists on brain and the spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system consists on many nerves which are spread throughout the body. This diagram shows the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. Now come to how the nervous system works. The nervous system takes information from outside world through inside organs of our body, then respond to that information and tells the various parts of your body how to react. For example, if you accidentally touch a hot object, the nerves in your skin send a message of pain to your brain. When the message reaches your brain works out by sending message to your body how to react. In this example, the brain tells the muscles in your hand to pull back. Now, students, you can understand the nervous system with the help of this video.
When you see a mosquito sitting on your hand or feel its bite, neurons are stimulated by the sensation and an impulse is generated. This travels the length of the neuron and is transferred to the next neuron with the help of chemicals known as neurotransmitters. This sequence is repeated across thousands of neurons to transmit information to the brain. The brain processes this information and sends a message back, which is transmitted by the neurons to the hand. This message from the brain is your body's response to the mosquito on your hand. You respond by shaking your hand.
Students, now open your textbook, page number 8, the science factor. Note, all the work should be done in your science copy. Now student, look at question number 1 in your textbook. Name the two parts of the nervous system. How are they different? And the answer is parts of nervous system. The nervous system has two main parts: the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. Now the difference between central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. To write down difference, you have to write down the column, the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. In the column of central nervous system, you have to write down it consists on brain and spinal cord, and in the column of peripheral nervous system, you have to write down it includes all the nerves throughout the body. Now open workbook page number 2. And look at question number 1. On this diagram of nervous system, label the brain, spinal cord and nerves. And you can label the diagram in this way. Now page number 2, question number 2, workbook. While playing your favorite sport, for example football, it takes you a split second to decide when to hit the ball. Explain how this happens, and the answer is the eyes see the ball approaching. The message is then conveyed to the brain through the nervous system. The brain then work out what to do and sends a message to the body telling it how to react. Students, solve this worksheet as your home assignment. Hope you understand that lesson. See you. Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much for your attention.